Okay, so I did finally get it to work. I agree. Did help me out with that. Um, the little piece that was connected to this, I had to get Y pliers to have a neighbor take it off because it was on really tight and we couldn't get it off, so we had to use these to get it off. So this is the first run. There's no dishes inside. I just took the fruit basket out because it said don't run both of them at the same time. The hookup is pretty easy. So it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And like I said, there's no dishes in it. Matter of fact, my dishes are right there. I just wanted to make sure no water was coming out the back of it or anything like that. So this is just my test run. It did work perfectly fine after I got the little piece off so I can add it to my faucet. The issue I had was with my faucet. So the product works as described. And here's the fruit rack. So again, I was always happy with the purchase. I was just trying to figure out why I could not hook it up. But it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And that looks like a powerful wash. I don't think you're supposed to touch the glass because it'll be hot. I think that's what it says right here. Forbidden to open the door and touch the glass when the wash is running because it's too hot. And I'm not doing that at all. I'm just showing you how powerful a wash it is on my counter. Thank you.
This is the inside of the portable dishwasher. That's the lid. Here's the side of it. Here's the front, the master controls. Here's the hardware that comes with it. You get to hook up to the faucet. Easy to follow instructions. All of the hardware comes with it. The hookup hose, the power cord, and the unit. You can see inside the unit. Very nice, very nice. And where I have it is where I'm going to put it. Under the counter. Looks great in my kitchen. I recommend this if you have a lot of grandkids. Easy to use, easy to clean, easy to hook up. Very nice product, very nice.
It's definitely not spraying correctly. The water is not coming up like it's supposed to.
Oh, look at that. First of all, it's amazing you mentioned like 5 stars because that's full automatic, taking the video, taking the water, drain, everything doing by itself. It was super power hard and cleaned everything, every plate. That's really enough for 2 people. I think so. So, that's best. I think it's 5 star.